Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. This is my favorite earthly possession. It's my DeLonghi espresso machine. I really want to preserve the life of this beautiful machine, which is why I use the DeLonghi descaling solution. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So first you want to pour some of the solution into the back water tank. The bottle itself will show you how many uses it has. That's approximately 5. Now that the solution's in the back water tank, you want to bring it over to the sink and fill the rest of it up with tap water. Okay, you're going to put the tank back on the machine. You're going to put a bowl underneath so the water can drain out. And you want to press the button on the top left until it starts blinking. Then you know the machine is going to be starting the descaling process. So you want to make sure the cleaning solution is working in all the parts of the machine, so you definitely want to make sure all the nozzles are open. Now you can see that the machine is working, it's cleaning itself out, all the solution's coming out. Really great videos online that show you the whole process step by step. So it's really important to take care of your investment, especially one that gives you such happiness every day. So use the DeLonghi descaling solution and have yummy tasting coffee every day. And that's my point of view.